Hey, you're watching Crisscross Adventures. We call ourselves that because we crisscross all over the state of Florida. You never know where we're going to pop up or what we're going to cover. So guys, come join us on the adventure and hey, let's get to the video. Guys, before the video of the historic Oakland Cemetery right here in Edgewater, Florida, I just wanted to tell you it's right next to an airport, guys. So yeah, I'm going to show you the planes right before we start the video and then take you right into the cemetery, guys. Let's get to it. And don't forget, read the description of this video. Let's get to it. We have arrived. Today, guys, we're at historic Oakland Cemetery right here in Edgewater, Florida. Right behind me is like an airport, dude. I just saw a plane take off. It was crazy. It was like the last thing I expected. There's planes everywhere. We never covered a cemetery where an airport's nearby. So this is our first one, man. So come on. Guys, so we're back with another cemetery. The address is 635 Air Park Road right here in Edgewater, Florida. The cemetery was founded in 1926. Look at this road. Like, I'm just going to show you around. Like, no one was around. It's right next to a little airport. It's filled with former slaves who died free. So that's a cool little fun fact. And yeah, guys, you know, you can really come here and help with the cause and do everything. Look, call this number, you know. Yeah. Really, guys, and, you know, speak up. We're trying to speak volunteers. Up.
We would volunteer, but we live far away.
Yeah, and, you know, we're just going to roam the cemetery and show you some stuff, guys, that we saw. Like, we didn't know what to expect. Like, a lot of unmarked graves with unmarked names, but you could see that people are buried here clearly. Like, here comes our first grave, Anne.
Yeah.
And after Anne, we found a mother next to her. So,
and
like,
her stone was knocked over.
Yeah, and a lot were broken into. Like, just like a quick fact, there's 13 above ground vaults made of brick or concrete blocks that have been broken into.
Just like this one.
Yeah, you know, and they've had remains lying on the ground too, which is kind of crazy to think about. So wow. Yeah, guys, like we're just exploring the field today and checking this out.
I think they should just make it a park.
Yeah, you know, a little fact, the last burial was in 1969, and at that time, the owner closed the cemetery with barbed wire and turned cattle loose among the graves.
Yeah, that's odd.
Yeah, like I thought a fire happened or something, but look, right now, I went to the back of the cemetery and I covered this, and yeah, I was shocked.
Yeah, I would just try to make it a memorial park and salvage what you have there, you know?
Yeah.
And be respectful and keep it as a park.
Yeah,
and let the town worry about paying for it.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you can't just throw away people in the cemetery.
Yeah, we want to know, like, when they chopped these trees down and everything and found this. Like, if you know any information about this, please put it in the comments.
Well, I think it goes
look,
back
another
further.
grave in the back.
Yeah.
I went towards the back, and look at this one. I think born on Christmas, yeah. And I was like, whoa. And yeah, you know, you got to watch. You definitely need boots if you're going to come over here because I had my flip-flops on.
Yeah, it wasn't working.
So, definitely.
Yeah, go volunteer and try to help save this cemetery.
Yeah.
You know, even if they make it a memorial park.
And all you hear are the airplanes taking off, so it's pretty cool, you know. And besides that, it was very
well, I bet
quiet.
you it's haunted because, you know,
yeah, it could be.
It's so disrespected, you know.
Well, you know, if something happened to it where, you know, it could be.
We'll just leave prayers there.
Yeah, because look, guys, this is something else. Like, they used to have momentums and stuff that they would put on the graves, like seashells and other stuff like that for the loved ones. To know that's their grave, you know.
It's interesting.
Yeah, and it's grown right into the tree.
Who would think?
And I thought this next grave was like on fire or something, but I think it just like rusted or debris. And here's a crooked cross.
Yeah, they're all like that.
She's showing us this tree, how big it was. Oh my God. And yeah, we were just walking and we didn't want to fall into a grave or anything, so we had to be very careful. And look, Meek Sr. Yeah, you know, I wonder what these people were doing that they lived so long back then, you know? Because it's so interesting, you know?
Just living, I guess.
Yeah, look, a sinking grave, kind of. Almost 1926 to 44.
Yeah.
And look, we just were going out. I didn't know if I was going to see a snake or what, but I just kept going back here. And I came across a couple more graves. Look, I'm going to show you right now. This one.
It's
It
very
was
interesting.
Mary Turner, 1889 to 1920. And I didn't even know what that was right there. They were unmarked.
Yeah, 31 years old. Who knows?
Yeah, and there were more over there. Like, and there were more straight ahead and to the left, guys. Like, I could see them. Look. So, like, their graves were getting uncovered everywhere. So I wondered when they started this, you know?
God bless.
Yeah, if you're in the area, definitely come volunteer here. I would definitely, recommend it. You'll learn a lot of history.
Yeah, or even if they just make it a memorial park.
Yeah, so like right now I'm just walking back and we're about to end it in a couple minutes. But look what I saw. Like they had chairs, trash cans, like, it looked very good. And look, this was a grave to the left. Like I didn't know what it was at first. And I was like, oh my God, it's a grave.
Yeah, but then I was standing there and
Look,
I was standing on the grave. I was like,
oh, I zoomed in.
Yeah,
I couldn't really make that out, but maybe on
don't ever be
look, Mary
disrespectful.
Stanley, yeah.
We don't ever want to be disrespectful.
And the trees really caught my eye too.
The trees are awesome in the
Look,
cemetery.
John A. Durr.
We respect everybody.
Yeah, a lot of the letters were missing and everything.
Some of the letters were backwards.
Yeah.
It was scary.
Yeah, definitely. And we heard it just been abandoned and neglected for some time, but I think they're fixing it. Look, another one with the seashells.
Yeah, that's different.
And this one was just crazy. Like, I don't know what happened here.
Yeah, well, it was vandalized.
Yeah, I don't get how it would be vandalized,
Who would want to go do
Yeah,
that?
like,
what do you get out of that?
Oh, this one was crazy.
Except, you get cursed.
Yeah, like,
maybe,
I couldn't
like,
believe the back was open. Like, I was like, oh my
do.
gosh, look at that back was open. I never seen anything like this in any cemetery we ever covered. And we've covered over 70 cemeteries, guys. That's 70 cemeteries.
Yeah.
So, this is shocking. And I was shocked to see a name here still. And then the N.
Oh,
you
yeah,
said the N.
That's where the N was.
Yeah, guys, look, I think we show you again. Check it out again. The N. Yeah.
In January.
It's
and
backwards.
Born.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we just continue on. And, we were just shocked. Look, cars were coming by.
For everybody.
Yeah, nothing was happening until those two cars came. Yeah, 33 passed. Wow.
Yeah.
And here's another great.
First one, right?
Wow, Annie Johnson.
Yeah, he was the first one I think buried there.
That's a picture I took. And here's another grave. I don't think I could make it out. Yeah, I couldn't make it out what it was. And I took another picture. And you know what really caught my eye, guys? A cinder block grave. Check this out.
Yeah,
I was shocked. And then I took another picture.
But is that vandalism or is that really something?
And like, I'm going to try to zoom in here again. I don't know if I can see a name here. And then guys, again, look, a cinder block grave. Like, I couldn't believe it. Explain this to me, And then look, another grave.
Yeah, that was sad.
And then here comes our last couple graves. Lizzie and who else we got here? Oh, Lumpkin.
Like, isn't there a 100-year law with the cemetery?
Yeah, let us know, guys. Like, you can't.
If the last person was buried in 1969,
Scott, rest in peace.
You can't do anything with that land until 2069.
Yeah.
So, there might be a 7-Eleven over it.
Yeah, guys, and thanks for watching this with us, man. We appreciate it.
Yep.
Hey, guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like and subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I drop videos. Definitely check out the playlist section. And hey, thanks for watching.